Hey guys, welcome to SMA-Trendz. Today we are going to be making delicious Flaxseeds Chutney powder. It's good for health, it's very good for your skin, hair, and it's delicious. So let's get started. You're going to add 1 cup of flax seeds, the main ingredient, and you're going to just roast it for 5 minutes, really nicely and quickly. You can see it's changing color. It's getting a bit darker. Isn't that cool? I think it's very cool. We're gonna roast it until it pops. And by pops, we don't mean like popcorn popping. You can see it's kind of exploding in small places. That's when it's ready. Next, we're going to add 1/2 cup of coriander seeds and 1/4 cup Jeera. Now we're going to roast it as well for 2 minutes. Roast it nice. And you can see these are also getting a bit darker. These won't pop though. That's why we have a time limit. Next, we're going to add 1/4 cup of pumpkin seeds. These are really good. They have many fiber in them. They're really good. They're really tasty as well. And you're going to roast these for 2 minutes too. Now you're going to add all the ingredients into a blender once they cool down. Pumpkin seeds, flax seeds, and these. You're going to add them all in, and you're going to add 4 teaspoons of chili powder. Add a little more if you like a bunch of flavor. Then 3 teaspoons of salt and a few garlic pieces, just to make it a bit more delicious. Now you're going to turn it into smooth batter. And you can see it's ready. It looks like that. It's how it's supposed to be, and it's ready. You're just going to mix it around for a bit because it's all crumbly. It can be stored up to 2 weeks, still full of its flavor, and it is delicious. So make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and enjoy this tasty, delicious treat. It goes best with Idly and rice. Bye! Thanks for watching.